Remember our executive team list? Well, with PowerPoint it can help you create all sorts of neat ways to show diagrams, flowcharts, and can even let you add a picture to the diagram. It's called SmartArt, and all the functionality you need is built right into PowerPoint. So this executive team slide that we have would look great converted to a SmartArt diagram. I'll show you how. So the first thing we're going to do is take all the text we want to convert and click and drag the mouse to highlight and select it. Now on the Home tab we can choose Convert to SmartArt. Here are all the diagrams and flowcharts that we can use. The cool thing is that when I hover my mouse over them, I get a preview of what it's going to look like with my data actually in it. Some of them you can even add pictures to, and you can know which ones those are because inside the circle there is a little picture icon. So we can hover our mouse over it and find the one that we like. There is a lot of choices. When you see one, you just click on it and it's going to instantly convert it for you. Now you have a new toolbar ribbon. You have the SmartArt Tools Design tab. The first thing I'm going to do is change my colours because I want it to look a little bit better with my theme. So I'll pick a colour that I like, and now I can actually start adding some photos to these. So the way to do that is to click on the picture icon in the centre of the circle. I can then click Browse to choose a file on my network. I'm going to go to my Assets folder. Find the picture you want, select Insert, and now it's already put it in, and it already fits into that circle nicely, but I can make it look a little bit better. I'm going to crop the picture and stretch it so that it fits even better. Now I have another ribbon bar up here called the Picture Tools bar. So I'm going to select Format and hit Crop, just like we've done before. Now I can drag the outer corners so it keeps perspective of the picture and shift it around inside the circle. When I think it looks nice, I can hit Crop again, and now it looks a little bit better. So I can continue to do that for each of my pictures. Entering the picture and going back to that Pictures tool, Format toolbar, selecting Crop and moving the pictures around to get them to look perfect. Now my SmartArt graphic is done and it looks fantastic. There are a couple of more things we can do with it. The first thing is that we can resize it. I can do that by selecting the entire graphic and just dragging in from the bottom corner. I can make it smaller or bigger, and the neat thing is it's going to happen collectively as a whole unit. Now what happens if my executive team shrinks or grows? Good question. I can actually change or add or remove any of these items very easily because it's a SmartArt graphic. I'll do that by right-clicking on any one and choose Add Shape. I can add a shape before or after. In this case, I'll add one before. The neat thing is that it shrinks my entire graphic so that everything fits perfectly. From here, I can just add another picture like I did before and start adding text. I can just start typing as normal. So that is how you create fantastic flowcharts, diagrams, and SmartArt graphics right in PowerPoint.